In this video, we'll look at how to use Format Painter to quickly copy formatting from one part of your document to another in Microsoft Word for the web. Sometimes you spend time getting one heading or sentence to look just right, with the font, size, color, and style you want, and you don't want to repeat all those steps. Format Painter lets you copy that formatting and paint it onto other text with just a few clicks. First, select the text that already has the formatting you like. Then, on the Home tab, click the Format Painter button. You can also find the same icon on the mini toolbar when you right-click selected text. Your mouse pointer changes to a little paintbrush. Now, simply drag over, or click and drag to select the text you want to format. As soon as you release the mouse, Word applies the same formatting to the new text, and Format Painter turns itself off. If you want to apply the same formatting to several different places, double-click Format Painter instead. The paintbrush stays active, and you can click or drag over multiple pieces of text, one after another. When you're finished, press Escape or click the Format Painter button again to turn it off. Using Format Painter is an easy way to keep your document consistent and save time whenever you need to repeat the same formatting.